welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where we are going to talk about HP's another variant, that is HP Mini 210 out here. The name itself suggests that it's a mini version out here. HP Mini version is going to be seen out here. Really amazing variant. Mini naam hai, so definitely it is not for the corporate world. It can be easily ported out. Variation is definitely reduced or compact variant. But when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a great range of specifications, a great range of we can say productivity, as well as this variant is specially designed for the household purpose. Yes, this is mainly designed for the household purpose so that it is easy to carry out here for student life and for home usage. So these kind of things can be done on this variant. It is a budget friendly variant, as well as you can find that this variant is offering your notebook series. But when we talk about this gadget, we can say there are it is used as a secondary corporate world gadget also. There are few people in the corporate world also, or the few sectors in the corporate world which uses this kind of a variant. Talking about this variant, talking about mini, let us talk about the internal functions also. And when we talk about the internal functions, when we talk about this gadget, then we can say that it uses Intel Atom processing system. Using Intel Atom processing system is really great because Intel is definitely an amazing variant out here, and using Intel Atom processor is good. Along with that, you get to see Intel's Express chip system, Intel's Express chip system, Intel Express Atom out there. So you get to see these kind of variants out there. Along with that, you get to see it is a dual core system processor. Dual core system is seen out here along with 64-byte computerization Windows operating system. So Windows operating system could be seen out in this variant. A very good variant out here along with a hyper threading technology. Yes, you get to have hyper threading technology along with it. And you also get to see that it offers you a good cache memory of L2 cache of 1 MB. 1 MB की L2 cache memory भी देखने को मिलती है, so that is a wonderful feature out there. Along with that, you get to see that it is offering you a speed or a RAM quality, because cache is not alone out there. You need to have a RAM and the hard drive storage also. Talking about the RAM quality, talking about the RAM storage, it offers you 1 GB RAM along with a speed, rated memory speed or the memory speed out here of 800 megahertz. मतलब compact version है, so these are definitely good out here. Talking about this variant, then 800 megahertz speed is there. You get to see DDR3 RAM type. Yes, RAM type is DDR3. Along with that, you get to see that there is a configuration out here in the RAM that is one slot for 1 GB. You get to have that slotation, and you get to have a dedicated slot out there. There's a dedicated slot for GBs out there, 1 GB. So you get to have a maximum support size also. Will get a maximum support size, which is like an external support size could be done out there, which is of 2 GB. 2 GB maximum support size is seen. Along with that, you get to see that this is offering you a hard drive storage. There is a hard drive storage out here of HHD format, hard drive storage format, and that is 320 GB. 320 GB is the hard drive storage format offered out here, along with a spindle speed of 5400 RPM. So overall, if we talk about the storage, then cache memory, RAM, hard drive storage, they are definitely good out there. But since it's a mini version, let us talk about the display out here, talk about the screen size, because mini version offers you a good screen size, not a bad screen size out there. Offering you 25.7 centimeter screen size, like the small screen size is 25.7 centimeter screen size. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you LED backlight technology. LED backlight is seen out with a good resolution of WSVGA. So VGA type का resolution देखने को मिल रहा है इसमें, we can say that. Along with that, it offers you a bright view infinity edge to edge glass. So the display out here is not just LED display out here, that is bright view infinity edge to edge view out there. So that is definitely a great version out there. Along with that, you get to see that it is offering you 16:9 image ratio out there, which is definitely a good variation out there, not a bad at all variant we can say. But since it is offering you these kind of variations, this kind of a screen size, how does it offer you a graphical processor? Talking about the graphics, talking about multimedia, talking about the webcam, then we can say that it offers you Intel GMA 3600 graphical processor. Apart from that, you also get to see it has got dynamic video memory technology. Dynamic video memory technology could be seen out of this variant. That is a wonderful feature. Along with that, apart from that, there is a total memory, or there is a dedicated memory for the graphical part. Talking about the graphical part memory, we can say that it offers you 218 MB graphical storage. Yes, 218 MB graphical storage out there. Along with that, it has got integrated webcam along with microphones and a beat audio. Yes, it has got beat audio and microphones out there. When we talk about this variant, then we can say that the keyboard has definitely played a very important role in this. If you look at the keyboard, if you look about design, then that's definitely different variant as compared to other versions. Fill resistance keyboard is there with touchpad as well as functional keys out there, offering you good Bluetooth connectivity, good Wi-Fi connectivity. Along with that, you get to see there are various other important components out there, like USB connectors. You get to see audio input output jack out there. You get to see power connectors. You get to see that there are drive connectors out there, but no optical drive connector is there. No optical drive connector. USB connectors are there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you good Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, a good battery life of 11 hours. Yes, it offers you 11 hours approximate battery life with 6 cell lithium ion battery. Yes, offering you 6 cell lithium ion battery out there. Now, talking about this variant, then we can say that it is offering you a good amount of weight. Yes, the weight is really good. Slightly heavy, we can say, because compact है, but still it is slightly heavy out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it has got a Microsoft Windows inbuilt in it, pre-owned or pre-installed window, that is Microsoft. Along with that, you get to see various softwares are in this variant, like Adobe Splash could be seen out there, Adobe Reader, Adobe's inbuilt most of the apps could be seen out, along with security assistance out there. HP Beat Audio, HP Wide Angle, HP Launch Box could be seen out here. There are so many HP's inbuilt softwares, along with some of the Microsoft softwares inbuilt in it. So overall, if we talk about HP Mini out there and 210, then that's a good variant out there. So let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, let us talk about the site. The site name is justatclick.com. Yes, the site name is justatclick.com, where you get your favorite gadgets in your pocket-friendly way. As well as this site offers you customizability option. You get to customize your gadgets. There is a hassle-free shopping out here. So you get to have a very good product out there. Now, talking about this variant, let us talk about this variant in the search icon, which helps us to search our favorite gadget in a very limited format. So this is the result for our search, and we get to see a small description at the top, a small description at the bottom out there. Apart from that, you get to see that there is a condition written here that is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition so that we know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about the refurbished products, or we can say the refurbished brand out here, we can see that refurbished and brand new are quite same products. They are similar like products out here. We can say that. Now, when we say brand new, what does this mean? This means that this is something absolutely newly like or new product out here directly from the company. Whereas refurbished means creating something newly like that, a pre-owned gadget that has been brought up in the market, making it again something brand new. Like this is what refurbished means. So talking about refurbished and brand new, does they differ in design, functionalities, anything else? No, they do not differ in their designs. They do not differ in their functionalities. They have the same functionality, design, test is out there, capturing capacity, working, everything is same. But what differs out is the pathway which is involved in this. And when we talk about the pathway, then we can say that there is a pathway which includes base, mediator, and consumer. This is a common pathway. But for brand new, if we talk about brand new, then we can say that base is the company which releases the gadget out. Yes, base is the company which releases gadget out in the market. Whereas this marketplace, the mediator is the point bridge out here, which is included in company and the user out there. Talking about the company out there and the users, this marketplace is a vast space out here because there are a lot of change involved in this marketplace. So overall, we see the marketplace. Now, when we talk about this marketplace, this helps the user to collect their gadgets out there. They get the gadgets, they have the gadgets out there. Now, the user has that gadget, that pre-owned gadget is brand new gadget out here. Now, this pre-owned gadget, it wants to be resold. Now, the gadget is going to be resold by us. We are the users out here. Now, what happens? This user from brand new becomes the base for the refurbished product and wants to resell them. When we want to resell them, then it has to be checked that all the functionalities are being done properly or not. Because pre-owned gadgets are, we can say, once used product. Yes, they have been once used. Now they are brought up in the marketplace, vast place out here definitely. So marketplace. Now they have been tested and verified, brought up in the site, and now another user buys this product. Yes, now another user buys this product and is brought up in the market by first user to another user. Now, what does this differ? How does they differ? They differ in the testing sites. Yes, there is a difference in the testing site. Testing parameters are same, structure is same, everything is same. But difference lies out in the testing sites out there. Now talking about the testing site, how does the testing site differs? Talking about the testing sites, then we can say that brand new products are tested within the company as well as various other sites. There are various sites where company tests before bringing out into the marketplace. But what happens to the another users? What happens to another users out here? Pre-owned gadgets, or that is the refurbished products. They are tested, verified, and sold up on the same site which is responsible for testing it. If you have a site which where you are reselling it, they only have to test it, verify it, and resell that product. So this is what happens in the refurbished gadgets. Now, talking about refurbished gadgets and brand new gadgets, they are actually same in the structurality, functionalities, tests out here. So let us talk about the parameters which are involved in testing these gadgets, because parameters plays an important role in every gadget. Talking about these parameters, we can say that there are a list of parameters which are classified basically into external and internal parameters. There are two basic parameters out there: external parameters and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that external parameters are nothing else but the gadgets or the external factors which are involved there. And when we classify them, we can say that they are actually the parameters uh, which we see through our eyes. Like external parameters does not require any component, equipments, robots, software. These are not required because they can be easily seen through eyes. Like if we talk about the design, then we can directly see it. We can compare the design. If we check about the scratches, if we talk about the buttons, functional keys, touchpad, mouse control, the arrows, volume button, even the ports. There are ports, whether the port are working or not. These kind of things could be seen. The display type, camera, resolution, each of the things which can be directly checked out through the, we can say, gadgets. So these are the things. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that refurbished products, external parameters are checked without any such softwares. Once it is classified, then it is moved on to the internal parameters. Talking about the internal parameters, we can say that internal parameters include Nothing else but the internal functional keys, internal gadgets, internal softwares, internal elements, which are to be tested with robots, equipment, softwares. So they need some specialized things for their working. Now, once it is checked out, you have to check the internal processor, graphical processor, video support system, cache memory, RAM, hard disk, the optical drive applicable, connectivity, Bluetooth, the internal display type, each and everything out there. So once they are verified, they are checked out, then we can say that they offer you a good range in the internal components. What would happen if there is any default? They have to be replaced, they have to be renewed with the original parts from the company, so they are in a good quality, they provide good service out there. Talking about this kind of variants, then we can say that they are classified and certified just like brand new. The way brand new is certified and is classified, that is absolutely ready to use in the market, same way happens in the refurbished product. Now talking about the refurbished products and brand new, there are few differences, or we can say benefits out for refurbished products. Talking about the benefits, number one is the pocket friendly rate. You get to have pocket friendly rate out here. You get to see the pocket friendly rates. So what are these pocket friendly rates? These are nothing else, but we know that brand new products are actually expensive gadgets. They are slightly expensive, whereas you have refurbished products in a pocketable rate. That is a pocket friendly rate out here. Apart from that, if you talk about these two parameters, if you talk about these two functionalities, then we can say that brand new and refurbished have a difference in their pricing. So you get to see that the pricing difference allows you to have a good range of savings. Yes, you get to have a great range of savings out there. Since you have a savings, what would happen to the warranty period? Because we know brand new products offers you 1 year warranty out there. And pre-owned gadgets usually don't offer you warranty period, but if you have a category called refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy. These are the two additional benefits of having refurbished products, because you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy also. Talking about these products, talking about these variants, we can talk about the site again, the site we were visiting out. Let us visit that first. We were at justatclick.com. Yes, we were at justatclick.com. This site is nothing else but a online website which allows you to have your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. And the name itself suggests just at click. Just at a click, you can get your favorite gadgets out there. Apart from that, if you talk about this website, then this website allows you to have customizability option. Now, what is this customizability option? This is nothing else but a option or a variant out here which allows you to customize your gadget accordingly. Yes, you can customize your gadget accordingly. You can customize the RAM, processor, storage, whatever things can be customized or have been customized, or the option is available for the gadget by the company. You can customize those things. Apart from that, you get to have COD out there. Yes, you get to have COD, and as well as you get to have free shipping. You get to have free shipping, COD. Since it's an online website, so you get to have an hassle-free shopping out there. You will not be like contacting it much in, so that you can have a social distancing out there. So there is a hassle-free shopping out there. Along with that, money back guarantee and online support system is provided out here, and you can search your gadget in the search icon, which helps to search your favorite gadgets in a very limited format. So you can visit our website for best pricing. Along with that, if you would like to order, you have the number in the description box, or you can go on website and check out your favorite gadgets for the best pricing. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.